Hello, and welcome everyone. Welcome to the Profit Room. Hope all is well. My name is Ernest. It's Latoya. We are the founders of the Profit Room. We're just gonna wait a couple of seconds. Uh, Make sure you guys share this with as many people as possible. If you're watching this on Facebook, we're also streaming this on YouTube as well. If you go on YouTube and look at the Profit Room, you should see us there. We got some exciting news tonight. We really got some exciting news, and we want to make sure as many people as possible are able to watch this. And it's going to be great. Very exciting. So, all right, we're seeing some people start to join.
Hey everyone, what's going on?
All right. Yes. Very exciting news. All right, so for you guys who are new to us, Latoya and I, we have a company called the Profit Room. And what we do is we teach people how to trade and invest in the different financial markets, no matter if it's stocks, options, futures, Forex. We have the saying, if there's a
There's a
chart,
chart. We trade it.
yep, exactly. We can teach you how to trade it. And we have a lot of successful students. If you watch some of our videos, our video testimonials, we like to show like what our students have done over the course from beginning to advancing. And sometimes you find yourself in some of these people. Very important to see how other people have reacted to the market and see a lot of their successes. Okay. So here we go. So I'm not going to keep you guys too long. We're just going to jump right into it. So in 2020, the Profit Room decided to really dive in and see what we can do to help people during the pandemic. A lot of people were at home and they was looking for ways to pivot and make extra income. So we did a something new. We started doing group courses with stocks and options, and we called it stock market stimulus because we was getting handed stimulus checks out at this time. So let's teach people how to pull money out of the market and create their own stimulus check. And it was a great success. We had, I believe, two classes,
Correct.
and the students came out. It was great. It was unbelievably great. We have so much success, and based off of that, we recently was reached out to by a specific magazine. Latoya, I'll let you explain that.
Yes, Essence. So we're definitely excited about that feature. The article dropped in March, late March, and it was right in the nick of time, basically asking the primarily question of, do you invest your stimulus money in the stock market? So we're happy, Ernest and I, that we were able to answer those questions and really just based off of our student success. So check out that article. Definitely, we dropped some gems in there in terms of ways to invest your money. And with that said, what are we providing? We're providing a great opportunity for people to actually invest their money with this actual program that we are launching, Stock Market Stimulus. It's got a nice ring to it, Ernest.
Yeah, very nice ring to it. So, like Latoya said, we're launching this program, stock market stimulus. So we're actually putting this in to place. So if you go to stockmarketstimulus.com, you'll get more details. But what we did for our loyal followers, that's why we say join our email list. For the past 5 days, we did a pre-launch, amazing pre-launch for those to get a part of the stock market stimulus. So what is stock market stimulus? It is a stock and options course. The information that we built up over the past year with our students in the group stock and options course, we're able to package that and put that together, as well as some new content. Now we're doing a launch. Now, this launch is very special for you guys to jump in on there right now. The reason why we're doing this launch is because it's going to give those in the public that you're watching now an opportunity to still benefit from this. So we have studied doing these group courses how people can apply the information. So the stock market stimulus course is a standalone course now on its own for a limited time, only for a limited time. So you'll see the price change on April 20th. So what do you get with the stock market stimulus course? You get all the information that you need to learn how to trade stocks and options based off of the information we have in our group course program. As well as that, on May 2nd, we're having a live training. So that's an online live training that's going to go with the stock market stimulus course. So in this online live training, we're going to talk about some advanced strategies, some psychology, deep dive into different chart patterns, things of that nature, where you can get a lot of your questions answered by Latoya and I. It's going to be a great opportunity. So now this is a bonus that goes with this course. Now, on top of that, you guys get access to a private stock market stimulus Facebook group where you guys can share wins, be able to communicate with each other and have that same feel like we are used to with the group setting. You guys be able to motivate each other and be able to work with each other hand in hand. Very, very encouraging. So if you guys act now, this is our launch price. Our launch price is $997. That's $997. And this is a great, amazing deal for you guys to jump on. And for the next couple of days, we're going to be going live, talking about some of our students, talking about some subjects around stocks and options and how you can actually benefit from it. And if you know anything about the Profit Room, anything that we put together, we make sure it's extremely structured. Because what is our slogan, Latoya? What do we say?
If it has a chart, we trade it. Or
And education.
education, application, success. We have so many, but also true.
Correct. And a lot of people realize that when they get into trading stocks and options, right? Or just the stock market, that it can be very intimidating. But the way we structure it is very, very simplified for the absolute beginner. And on average, our students who take this course make their money back. You can ask any of our students, they make their money back. And that's very important. Before you even embark on any type of course or lesson, go get feedback, go ask people. And it's great. We have a great feeling that we're able to put this together, especially since you'll hear about so many stories coming up in the near future of people who have taken this course already and who have benefited so much. And one of the things that we try to specialize in at the Profit Room, even though we focus on our premium courses with mentorship, this course allows those who may not be able to be in a situation for premium courses to get their foot in the door, right? We have students that have taken this course and have made their money back and also reinvested themselves again with some of our higher end premium courses. And that's the beauty behind what we're providing right here. So don't be afraid about the stock market. Like, so Latoya, what type of age would you think anybody can learn how to trade stocks and options? Is there a limit or education behind it?
There's not a limit or there's not a max. So no limit, any age, as long as you're old enough to actually open a brokerage account. And you're used to the internet, I want to say, or using technology to some extent. Yeah, you can definitely learn how to invest or trade within the stock market with absolutely no problem. And especially the way we break it down, like Ernest said, very simple to the point where you can definitely understand, walk through your actual process, and actually advance within the course itself. So it's a definitely amazing program. especially for our past students that actually took the group class, and the success we see is absolutely amazing. And we're definitely happy to be able to provide this as an offer or a standalone course in itself.
Yep, 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 yep. So the thing is, everything Latoya said and so much more what is in this course. And like we said before, this is our official launch that you're going to hear today. Today is April 6th. It's the official launch. After April 20th, everything is going to change. Everything is going to change. So those who've been asking for a group stock and options course, the reason why we're doing it this way, we looked at a lot of our content. We looked at how our students have progressed. We even asked our students different ways of how we teach. So that's a lot of things that we do. We want to get feedback, and having all that feedback and looking at the content and the structure, we put this together that we know you guys could benefit from. So make sure you go to stockmarketstimulus.com. Also, if you are a student, hashtag stock market stimulus across social media. Say, I'm a student. Hey, jump in here. It's an amazing deal. It's an amazing deal. When you go to the site before you register, you'll see a whole breakdown of what you receive in the course. So not only are you receiving a online course with structure, you also get a bonus to a live training that's going to be held May 2nd by Latoya and I. We're going to deep dive again, answer a lot of questions, and give you the information that you truly need to be successful in trading stock and options. Like Latoya said, you don't have to know a whole lot of information right away. You got to be super smart in math. If you're very diligent and you want to learn and you want to be able to be around, like-minded individuals like yourself who want to create money from the market, or generate extra income for whatever you want in life, this course will definitely benefit you. So we just wanted to talk to you a little bit tonight. We will be live again tomorrow, talk about some other things. So
Definitely.
in closing words, we like to say, as always, get educated, trade safe. That's all. You want to mention anything?
Yeah, so just forward this along, share, 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 tag your friends. Like we've mentioned, over the past, I would say like 3 months, we received a lot of emails. When is your next group class? Well, here's the opportunity. As Ernest mentioned, this price will be limited. The same way we limited our group classes just for a certain duration, this is going to be the same in terms of you gaining access to this information, which, in my opinion, I'm sure your opinion too, Ernest, is
Yep.
life changing. Create your own stimulus. And I'm going to leave you with those words.
All right. So everyone, you have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Trade safe. Bye.